This video is from my latest yard sale. And as you can tell from the title, Stone Cold was at a yard sale. I couldn't believe it. I mean, I'm a wrestling fan, have been since I was a kid. I couldn't believe it. I almost passed out. Down to the end of the video and the stuff that I buy, I'll kind of go over and let you know if anything has sold between whenever we bought it and by the time this video is coming out. I'll go over where we're going to put the stuff that we bought it, whether it'll be on eBay, whether it'll be in our booth, or whether it'll be something other that we're actually going to keep. Stay tuned.
Sir, I think this goes with that. I'm not positive about that.
What'd you say about Stone Cold? I need it, whatever it is.
You need it, whatever it is.
Yeah.
That's $10.
I might not need it that bad.
There, you look at him, you will. He's never been stuck to a wall. Whoa!
Oh, that's one of those life-size. Stone Cold said so. Castrol. I'll take it. I won't even try and get you to come down on it. Because that's the bottom line.
Because Stone Cold says so.
What's that other one?
You
Man, I got you guys. Oh, man. Thank God for clickbait, or I wouldn't have no views. As you can see, Stone Cold was at a yard sale, just not in person. And that poster was awesome. I'm thinking that's going to bring some pretty big money. I hope so. There's no comps. There's actually one on, I think it's Worth Point. I don't have access to it. I'm not paying for it. If any of you guys have access to it, man, it would be great if you told me down in the comments what it sold for. There is one similar on eBay right now. It's got The Rock and Undertaker on it. I think maybe Mankind. Anyway, that one's got it listed for $200, so I'll probably start mine out at $175 or so plus shipping. I always charge shipping, and we'll just see how it goes. Put best offer on it, and maybe it'll sell at that price, or maybe it will sell for $20. I won't let it go for $20. I'll keep it.
What about Christmas tree stand?
No, don't even mention that in front of her.
Turn it around.
No,
Makes it easier to decorate for you.
No.
Easier, make your life easier.
I don't decorate.
Oh, okay.
All right, what's 13? Is that what it is?
Yep, that's what it is. Thank you.
Thank you, young lady.
You and Joy, if you only knew how many people he's trying to sell that to this morning.
And the one
I'm glad I don't have to hear it
and the
anymore.
one sucker finally came along to get it. That's all right. I love it.
Everybody is glad of it.
Now, see, if you hadn't said that, I wouldn't even known you had it. So
You got your red man.
I don't need it. Thank you, sir. Huh. All right, what about the Crocs?
That here Crocs is 20. They're brand
20? Okay. 20, dear. I'm gonna look them up.
Look at these Disney Toms.
Those are nice, but they're good. For a used pair that's missing this stuff, sold for $55.
Is everything in that?
I don't know. I think we only done like 1 or 2 things out of it. And then once you take something out of the box, you never get it back.
How much you got on this?
Do $1 on it.
All right,
What's the box
I'll
for?
take that. You want to make me a package deal on all your DVDs?
Yeah, let me,
All right.
do $50.
Are you sure they're all in there?
As
The,
far as I know, they are. I mean,
What about 40? 40 and I'll take them right now. No matter what the boss says, here she comes. I knew it.
said 50 is the lowest you can go.
How about throw these in with them? It's just $2. I'll take them.
I was going to say, I believe I tax on them.
Barbara, you just let me be the boss for once. There's 40 of it. I think I got it. 46, 47, 48. Oh, would you rather have ones?
It don't matter either way.
Okay.
Whatever's
All
easiest.
right. Yeah.
Alrighty. Appreciate it.
I appreciate it, boss.
Y'all have a good one.
You too, buddy.
Stay cool.
I'll get them both, Barbara. See how she does me? Huh? No. Open the back, though, please. Thank you, sir. Good luck with the rest of your sale.
All right, thank you.
DVDs. Man, my wife did not want me getting those. But there were so many of them. There ended up being like 150 or 160. And selling them at $1 a piece, I mean, you're going to make money. It just depends on how much, how many sales, how many you have left over. You're going to have to donate, how much theft you have, because they'll all go in our booth and we put $1 a piece on them. So I would say by the time I was able to shoot this video, she's already made her money back, and I've sold a couple of, there was some complete seasons in there. I've sold a couple of those on eBay already. So we've already made our money back, and now she's happy. At this yard sale, you saw we found the Drew Barrymore, and we had no idea. So I'm assuming that more stars, celebrities has Crocs out there. Long story short, if you're out and you find Crocs that's got some celebrity's name on it, definitely check it out. Probably go ahead and jump on it. Anyway, you see we bought those and the Walt Disney shoes. I've already put the Drew Barrymore's on eBay, and they sold within like a day or something, maybe 2 days. I put 75 or best offer, and someone made me an offer I countered, and they ended up going for 68 plus shipping. So we've already made our money back on that. The Disney shoes, I don't know how they're going to do, but hopefully they'll sell. But like I say, we've already made a profit. We got our money back, and we're happy about that. And until next time, thank you guys for watching.